Welcome back. Now waking up to another warm day, and if the predictions are right, we could be in store for the warmest day ever recorded in Irish history today. The record currently stands at 33.3 degrees set in County Kilkenny 137 years ago, almost to the day. So to tell us what we can expect today and over the coming days, senior forecaster with Met Éireann, Gerry Murphy, who's been very busy this week, joins us in the studio. So Gerry, everyone will want to know, are we likely to see history made today as is being predicted?
Well, today's going to be very hot, Karen. So the temperatures will be in the high 20s and getting over 30 degrees in parts of the Midlands and in Connacht. So there is the potential for the record to be challenged, but it's not in any way certain that it's going to be broken. There's a number of factors. The temperatures yesterday in the west didn't get up as high because there was a fair amount of cloud. So that means today is not starting from quite as high a base as it might be. And secondly, as we go through the day, there are actually thunderstorms off the west coast at the moment. And if the cloud moves in a bit more to the more further inland, and those thunderstorms begin to develop later, that may keep a cap on the temperature. So certainly a very hot day everywhere. People need to be very aware of that. Temperatures in the high 20s, low 30s. Whether we'll break the record or not is not certain. It will be challenged, but not certain.
Everyone is obviously monitoring the area where they are, and I think earlier in the week the prediction was that inland and the northwest was going to see some of the hottest. Is it kind of those areas that would still be most prone to perhaps the warmest temperatures, the highest
Yes,
temperatures?
absolutely. It will be the Midlands and Connacht, but really hot everywhere today, and up in the northwest as well, very hot as well. Temperatures approaching 30 degrees there, but certainly the Midlands and much of Connacht can expect temperatures to exceed, especially further to the west, exceed 30 degrees, and then it's just a question about how high it gets. Will it challenge that record?
The cloud cover you did mention, because it is happening across different areas during certain times of the day, and it can actually make it feel very intense and humid, and it causes kind of a lot of the problems of the feeling of people not able to cope in this heat.
Well, today will be very humid as well, because the air that's coming up over us is associated with that large heat wave over Europe, but it's moving up over us. It has more moisture in it at this stage, so not only will it feel very hot, it will feel very humid today as well. So people need to be very careful out in the sun. Be sure to wear a hat, sunscreen, make sure you're hydrated today, and then obviously if someone's near the water, obviously take great care as well.
I mean, there is some relief here to know that we're not enduring the temperatures across the rest of Europe and just how dangerous that can get. But people will also want to know, I mean, the weather, will it continue? I know there was prediction it was going to break by Friday tomorrow. Is that the expectation still?
Well, the main other aspect of the weather, as well as the high temperatures, is the potential for thunderstorms. Now, it looks like today will be mainly dry, but there are thunderstorms close to the west coast. And during the late afternoon, evening, for Connacht, Ulster, those thunderstorms may develop and may turn into significant thunderstorms, because there is so much heat in the atmosphere that if the thunderstorms do occur with more moisture in the air, this evening, tonight, overnight, in parts of the west and north, they could give some torrential downpours of rain within those thunderstorms, with hail as well. So people do need to be aware of that, especially in the west and north. And then through tomorrow is still actually another very warm or hot day. And over the eastern half of the country, the temperature predictions are that in the Dublin region, temperatures will get up to 31 degrees. So we're looking at potential records today, but it may turn out that in the east of the country we have near record temperatures tomorrow. But significantly, tomorrow we'll have more widespread thunderstorms, especially across the west and north of the country. So the main change in the weather is that from this evening tonight onwards, it's not going to be completely dry. We will see thunderstorms. They could be quite severe. And then as we go through the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, it will become more broken with more rain.
OK, so make the most of the day safely is your advice. Gerry, thanks very much for Met Éireann there.